Hi, 5 students. Good morning. Today's topic is converting fractions to percentages. By the end of the lesson, students should be able to express a fraction as a percentage by converting the denominator of the fraction to 100 by using the unitary method and by using the multiplication method. Okay, now look at number 1. This is the example of number 1. Let's recall the big square is divided into 100 equal parts. Now let's count each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Horizontally there are 10 boxes. Now vertically going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times 10 equals 100 equal parts. 32 parts are shaded. This one, the blue one. There are 32 parts are shaded. The shaded parts can be expressed in the following ways. As a fraction, it is 32 over 100. As a decimal, it is 0.32. As a percentage, it is 32%. That's the example number 1. It's easy, right? Now, example number 2. Jessica spent a quarter of her money on a dress. What percentage of her money did she spend on the dress? First, convert the denominator of the fraction to 100. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by 25. Look at this. 1 over 4 or a quarter. Okay, the numerator times 25 equals 25. The denominator times 25 equals 100. So 25 over 100 equals 25%. This is the technique. So 1 times 25 equals 25. And 4 times 25 equals 100. And this one, the picture, to make it to become 100 parts equally, and 25 of the parts are shaded blue like this. Okay, that is the example number 2. There are 3 methods. This is method number 1. Let's compare with method number 2. Method number 2, there is more than one method to convert the a fraction to a percentage. Now this one, method number 2. As the whole that means 1. 1 that means equal 1 equals 4 over 4. If it is a whole, that means 100%. Look at this picture. 100% is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 that means 4 over 4. That means 1. This is 100%. So a whole is 4 over 4 or 100%. 1 whole equals 100%. This is 1 whole, all of them 100% from here to here. 4 parts, 100%. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 parts. That is 100% here. If it is 1 part, this one, the shaded part, that means 100 is divided by 4 equals 25%, like that. That is method number 2. Now, what do you think of method number 3? I think method number 3 is the easiest part, and it is very simple and to the point, like this. This one, method number 3. A quarter equals a quarter times 100%. 100 is divided by 4 equals 25%. So method number 3 is the easiest one, I think. It's up to you. You can choose one of them. Next, let's go on to workbook page 125. Now, number 1, express each fraction as a percentage. Number 1a, 3 over 20. 3 over 20. As we know, the denominator should be in 100. So that means 20 times 5 equals 100. And then 3 times 5 equals, yes, that's true, 15. So 15 over 100 equals 15%. over 50. Okay, we must make the denominator to become 100. So 50 times 2 equals 100. And then the numerator, 26 times 2 equals, yes, that's true, 52. So 52 over 100 equals 52%. It's easy, right? Now go on to part C, 4 over 5. Yeah, make it over 100 first. So the denominator should be in 100. 5 times what number equals 100? So 5 times 20 equals 100. Now 4 times 20, the numerator should be multiplied by 20. 4 times 20 equals, yes, 80. So 80 over 100 equals 80%. Okay, now let's go on to part number 2. Express the following fraction as percentages. 1/5 equals 1/5 times 100. 100 is divided by 5 equals, yeah, so 20%. Now B, 31 over 50. So as usual, 31 over 50 is like this example times 100%. Now we have to cross out between 50 and 100. 50 is divided by 50 equals 1. 100 is divided by 50 equals 2. 2 times 31 equals, yes, 62. So the answer is 62%. Now let's go on to the next part. Number 3, express the following fraction as percentages. 3a 7 over 25 equals blah 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 percent. As we know, we have to make it over 100. 25 times 4 equals 100. 7 times 4 equals 28. So 28 over 100 equals, yes, 28%. Now part C, 3c, 1/8, 1 over 8. Okay, 8 times what number equals 100? Okay, so what number should be multiplied by 8 to become 100? 8 times 12.5. So that means the numerator is also multiplied by 12.5. So the answer is 12.5 over 100 equals, yes, 12.5%. So the answer is 12.5%. Okay, now thank you very much. Now do the workbook, page 125, number 1 until number 3, all of them. You must do all of them. Number 1, A, B, C, D, E. Number 2, A, B, C. Number 3, A, B, C, D. If you have done, please submit it into the Google Classroom. Yeah, don't forget to write your name here and then take a picture. After that, submit it into the Google Classroom. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.